front of me is REDMI Note 15 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Passwords Manager. Start by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Google section available here. Now tap on All Services. Scroll again and this time click on Autofill with Google here. Tap on Google Password Manager. Select any password you wanna get rid of and click on it. Now enter your screen lock and tap on Delete twice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!